back to my channel. So as you can see, I already went ahead and filled in my eyebrows using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown. Sorry for the, little dust on it. And I also went ahead and did one eye off camera. So now I'm going into my Take Me to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics. And I'm going to take the light blue shade and buff that above my crease.
They saying Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like bogles. You can come on the tour bus, just please no photos. Up their eye like Somo. Cause we be going off on the off nights. Cause I've been on every single song I put my pin on now. They don't know, or maybe they starting to. Cause I work so hard that it's hard to lose. Top spot, I'm taking that face to face. Got a bottle in my hand, I'm facing that. Cause if winning is a habit, then I've been an addict. Every night it's cinematic. When you roll with us, and we won't live forever. But I will remember when I met you in the summer, and I came to your town.
So I'm going to take this turquoise color and I'm going to blend it into the blue shade that I previously placed down, blending it into my crease.
But I gotta leave soon. Everybody's listening now, but we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer, when I met you in the summer, when I met you in the summertime with your fine ass, Merlot and that wine glass.
Next, I'm going into my Morphe 35B Glam palette, and I'm going to be taking this deeper turquoise shade and just buffing that on the outer corners of my eye and just a little bit on the inner corners as well, but not too deep. I'm focusing mainly on the outer portion of my eye.
Just promise you'll remember me in that time when I met you in the summer, and I came to your town. We fell in love, and we burned it to the ground.
Going back into my BH Cosmetics palette, I'm just taking another blue shade just to add more depth to it and just to brighten up the look.
Everybody's listening now, but we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer, whoa, the summertime, the summertime, yeah, summer, yeah, the summertime, yeah. When I met you in the summer.
Now to cut my crease, I'm just going to take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Tan Sand. I'm not doing a full cut crease, just a half a cut crease. And I'm just going to use this concealer to clean up any mistakes that I made and to just carve out where I want to place the glitter. To actually make the glitter pop more, because it doesn't give me the effect that I really want, I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills and Nicole Guerrio Glow Kit, and I'm going to take the shade Kitty Cat, if I'm not mistaken. If I got it wrong, then I'll put the correct name in the description box down below. But I'm just going to take that really icy silver highlighter shade and I'm going to place it all over my lid before I go ahead and place the glitter down. And the glitter that I'm going to be using is from Star Crush Minerals, called Shine Bright Like a Nova.
And we burned it to the ground, and we could be together, baby. But I gotta leave soon. Everybody's listening now, but we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer, when I met you in the summer, when I met you in the summertime with your fine ass, Merlot and that wine glass. She dope as hell from Jersey, baby. White girl, but the curves are crazy, and she up all night like Adderall. She like sushi too, we compatible. And these other guys average, so they mad to know, cause I'm ill like a dragon roll. Got cover girls in my room, but they don't need no makeup though. They just tryna party, live too fast to take it slow. Got summer flings and these summer things, but we just making memories. Just promise you'll remember me in that time when I met you in the summer, and I came to your town. We fell in love.
The lashes that I'm using are from I Envy. I actually forgot the name of it, but it's from their Vixen line, I believe. I got it at my local drugstore. So when I remember the name, when I look at the packaging, I will put that down in the description box as well.
When I met you in the summer,
I went ahead and primed my face with my Fenty primer off camera. Now I'm taking my Cover FX foundation in the shade G80, and I'm just going to be placing that all over my face. And then after that, I'm going to go back in with my Tarte Shape Tape concealer and just conceal all the places that need to be covered up. Yeah.
They say Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like bogles, you can come on the tour bus, just please no photos. But they're out like Somo, cause we be going off on the off nights. Cause I've been on every single song I put my pin on. No, they don't know, or maybe they starting to. Cause I work so hard that it's hard to lose. Top spot, I'm taking that face to face. Got a bottle in my hand, I'm facing that. Cause if winning is a habit, then I've been an addict. Every night it's cinematic when you roll with us, and we won't live forever. But I will remember when I met you in the summer, and I came to your town. We fell in love, and we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby. But I gotta leave soon. Everybody's listening now, but we got nothing to lose. When I met you.
Now I'm just setting my concealer in place with my Kat Von D translucent powder. I don't bake my makeup or my face anymore. I just lightly press the powder into it so that the concealer can set, because sometimes with baking I feel like it gives me a flashback and nobody has time for that. To contour, I'm taking my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in medium to dark, and I'm just going to use that to sculpt and contour my face to add some warmth back to this look. To highlight my face, I'm going to go back into my ABH palette, and I'm going to take Glow Getter and 143.
And I came to your town. We fell in love, and we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby. But I got.
Now to finish off this look, I'm gonna take Cassis from Jouer Cosmetics, which is a really pretty pink shade. I'm just gonna place that all over my lips.
When I met you in the summer, the summertime, the summertime, yeah, summer, the summertime, yeah. When I met you in the summer. They say Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like bogles, you can come on the tour bus, just please no photos. But they're out like Somo, cause we be going off on the off nights. Cause I've been on every single.
Voila, there you have it, the finished product. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure that you give it a big old thumbs up. And if you want to see more looks from me, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
But I will remember when I met you in the summer, and I came to your town. We fell in love.